To make your display look better on Poco X7 Pro, first let's open a settings on our device, then scroll down looking for the display and brightness options. If we enter it, then we can scroll down yet again, and here in the screen section we can find all of the settings we need. So first of all, I'm going to enter the color scheme, and here I strongly recommend to go for the saturated colors, as for me at least, it gives the best quality, and you can just see it by looking at the pens right there. As you can see, the colors are boosted, where in the original Color Pro they look kind of gray. So I prefer the saturated options right here. When it comes to the color temperature of your phone, I'm just going to go with the default, as I don't like to apply any color filters to my phone. Next thing we're going to do is enter refresh rate, and here just go for a custom and increase your refresh rate to 120. It will make your display look much more smoother, and this will also increase the battery consumption, but for this video I'm only focusing on increasing the display quality. Next thing is AI image engine, and all of these settings inside apply AI settings. So if you're not alright with that, then you can skip that. But first let's go to the super resolution, which will upscale the resolution of videos, and when it's active it will, as you can see on this display right here, increase that quality. Next thing is AI HDR enhancement, and on OLED display it looks much better when the HDR enhancement is active, as it gives you more details in the light and dark areas. And next thing is MEMC, which applies additional frames to your videos if you're watching any, and this also uses AI, and you can see the difference between two images. And that would be everything I recommend to change right here in the display settings to make your display look better.